So the plan for today, cleaning the gym. Then we need to make a post
for running club,
to promote the running club,
yoga studio,
make a post for the yoga. But first,
breakfast.
coffee. Time for breakfast, Chinese style.
Yeah.
Oh, very nice.
Kick. I be like, I would like 3 chicken wing with the fried rice. I would like 3 chicken wing with the fried rice. I would like 3 chicken wing with the fried rice. I would like 3 chicken wing with the fried rice. Used to eat Chinese on the late nights at the land with a hater who would throw shade wife. Box like an ocean, I ain't think twice. Turned into Larry Bird, homie, that's a great white. Spell Victor.
Oh, it's all go today. The measurements are done. Took a while. We made a plan of the floor plan. We want to make all turf for the sled push and sled pull. Now the guys have come, the electrician is here, discussing with Kayla about changing the lights from this kind of bright white to like a nice red. So then we want the downstairs to have the black with the red light. It's full of dust. It's been closed for 3 months, so it's very dusty. The whole place needs a clean. Then just look forward to the carpet being delivered, putting it all down. I hope the measurements are right. If the measurements are bad, I don't know what we're gonna do, but it should be fun anyway.
Kick. I would like 3 chicken wing with the fried rice. I would like 3 chicken wing with the fried rice.
The good thing about working here is you get a staff meal as well. So every day they provide you with a lunch. Today we have stir-fried vegetables with pork and sausage and a bowl of rice. How do I eat with these sticks? Put in the rice. You see? Impossible. Much easier than a fork.
3 chicken wing with the fried rice. I would like 3 chicken wing with the fried rice.